When we think of indulgent treats, cocoa often comes to mind. We picture rich chocolate bars and decadent desserts. However, beyond its delectable flavor, cocoa holds a secret. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. For centuries, ancient civilizations have recognized the potent properties of this bean. Modern science is now catching up, revealing the remarkable impact cocoa can have on our well-being. One of the most exciting areas of research revolves around cocoa's effects on cardiovascular health. A healthy heart is essential for overall vitality, and studies show that cocoa can play a significant role in supporting cardiovascular function. But the benefits don't stop there. Cocoa also shows promise in enhancing erectile function, a topic often shrouded in secrecy but crucial for men's health and quality of life. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of cocoa, exploring its history, its science-backed benefits, and how you can incorporate this ancient elixir into your life. Get ready to discover the power of cocoa and unlock a world of health and vitality. From the ancient Aztecs to modern research labs, the evidence is mounting. This humble bean is a true gift to our well-being. The story of cocoa's healing power begins centuries ago in the heart of Mesoamerica. The Aztecs, renowned for their advanced civilization, held cocoa in high regard. They believed it to be a divine gift, a source of strength and vitality. The Aztecs consumed cocoa in a bitter drink called chocolatl, often flavored with spices and chili peppers. Centuries later, on the San Blas Islands off the coast of Panama, the Kuna Indians provide a living testament to cocoa's health benefits. This indigenous group has remarkably low rates of heart disease and hypertension, a phenomenon attributed in part to their high consumption of cocoa. Unlike the processed cocoa found in many modern chocolates, the Kuna traditionally consume large amounts of flavanol-rich cocoa, preserving its natural goodness. The Kuna's example offers a powerful lesson. The way we process and consume cocoa can significantly impact its health benefits. While modern science is just beginning to understand the mechanisms behind cocoa's effects, the experiences of ancient civilizations and indigenous cultures provide compelling evidence of its potential. Often we think of heart health and sexual health as separate entities. However, there's a crucial link between the two, particularly in men. Erectile function relies heavily on healthy blood flow. When the arteries and blood vessels are functioning optimally, blood can flow freely throughout the body, including to the penis, facilitating an erection. Conversely, poor cardiovascular health can manifest as erectile dysfunction. Conditions like atherosclerosis, which is the hardening of the arteries, and hypertension, which is high blood pressure, can restrict blood flow, making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. This connection highlights the importance of a holistic approach to health. Factors that benefit cardiovascular health, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, can also positively impact erectile function. This is where cocoa comes in, offering a natural and enjoyable way to support both heart health and sexual vitality. As we age, our bodies naturally undergo changes. One such change is a decline in nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a crucial role in relaxing blood vessels, allowing for increased blood flow. This decline in nitric oxide contributes to age-related health issues, including cardiovascular disease and erectile dysfunction. The good news is that cocoa can help counteract this decline. Cocoa is rich in flavanols, a type of plant compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Flavanols work by boosting nitric oxide production in the body. This increase in nitric oxide helps to relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and counteracting the negative effects of aging on cardiovascular and sexual health. In addition to its effects on nitric oxide, cocoa also helps to lower blood pressure, reduce LDL, which is bad cholesterol, and improve insulin sensitivity. These benefits further contribute to overall cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other age-related conditions.